Most people hear the term family floater health insurance and immediately think it is complicated, but it is actually one of the simplest and most practical type of health insurance for families. Let's understand it in a very simple way. So in a family floater plan, instead of taking separate health insurance policies for each family members, you take one single policy for the entire family, and this one policy comes with a shared sum insured, which means the total insurance amount can be used by any insured family member whenever needed. For example, if your policy has a cover of 10 lakhs sum insured and one member falls sick and use 3 lakhs for hospitalization, the remaining 7 lakh is still available for the rest of the family during that policy year. And this is why it is called a floater plan, because the coverage floats among all members. Now, who is included in a family floater plan? So generally it covers self, spouse, children, and sometimes even dependent parents depending on the insurer. So this make it a very cost effective option compared to buying individual policies for everyone. But the real question is, why do people prefer it? So first reason is affordability. One combined premium is usually lower than multiple individual policies. Second reason is convenience. You don't have to manage different annual dates, different policies, or separate paperwork. Everything is under one umbrella. And there is an important point you should understand. Since the sum insured is shared, if one member of the family faces a major health issue and uses most of the coverage, there might be limited funds left for the other in the same year. So choosing the right sum insured becomes very important. And this is where most people make mistakes. They either choose a very low cover to save premiums, or they don't analyze the medical needs of their family properly, and later during emergencies they regret it. So before choosing any policy floater plan, always think about your family size, age of members, medical history, and rising hospital cost. Because health insurance is not just about buying a policy, it is about making sure your family is fully protected when it actually matters. And if you are still confused about which family floater plan is right fit for you or how much coverage you should take, it is always better to get expert guidance instead of guessing. And you can compare different plans, understand hidden conditions, and choose a policy that actually fits your family's need, not just your budget. Because the right decision today can save you from the financial shock tomorrow. Book your free consultation with us. Link is given in the bio.